How do you say grandma in Creole? Grand-mère? No! Gran? Oh, gran. And grandpa? Grand-papa! Nous pas kon tout bagay, nous même tout n'a pas pren créole.
Bonjour les amis, Zetwal Kreyòl. Jeudi, moi parle aider Liyah avec Mike à apprendre quelques noms légumes en anglais et en créole. Moi souhaite que vidéo ça aide l'autre petit monde pour nous parler créole plus bien et puis remettre langue créole là. Liyah et Mike, nous parlez?
Oui, moi parle, on apprend ensemble. On l'aller.
Ok. So, légumes yo, nous gagnons c'est zonyon, patate, tomat, chou, leti, piman vert, konkonm, et puis nous gagnons mayi. So, Liyah avec Mike, qui est dans légumes ça yo qui chou? How do you say it in English?
Cabbage. Cabbage.
Creole?
Chou.
Great job.
Chou. Chou. Kawòt, I love you.
Konkonm.
Wait. No, this. I don't have one.
How do you say it in Creole?
Konkonm.
English?
Cucumber.
Great job.
Kawòt.
How do you say this in Creole?
Mayi.
In English?
Corn.
Great job. Qui est dans ça yo qui Pòmdetè?
This.
Great job. How do you say it in English?
Potato.
In Creole?
Pòmdetè.
Great job. Qui est-ce qui zonyon? Okay. How do you say it in English?
Onion.
Creole?
Zonyon.
Portuguese? Just joking around. Qui est dans ça qui tomato?
I love you. Tomato.
Qui est comment dit Créole?
Tomat.
Great job. Piman vert. Great job. How do you say it in English?
Hot pepper.
Listen to the name in Creole. Piman vert.
Piman vert. Spicy green.
Close.
Spicy vert.
Tick tock. Nope.
Spicy green vert.
Nope. Tick tock, time is ticking.
Can you help? Spicy?
Nope.
Piman.
Nope. Green pepper. Okay. Carrot.
Yummy. I love carrots. Can eat it.
How do you say in Creole?
Kawòt. Carrot. No.
He got it.
Kawòt.
How do you say it in English?
Carrot.
Levez nous en l'air, battements-nous ensemble, on parle créole ensemble, parler créole.
Konya et espace phrase yo. Anybody want to start?
How do you say I like carrot en créole?
I like carrot en créole c'est moi j'aime Kawòt. Can you guys repeat?
Mama Kawòt.
Great job. Mike, do you have any?
How do you say I eat corn in Creole?
I eat corn in Creole c'est moi manger Mayi. Can you guys repeat?
Manger Mayi.
Okay. Anything else? Now let's play a quick game together. So, on voit qui est-ce qui prend le game là avant. Zonyon.
Zonyon. I got an other one.
You both get a point.
Yay! Wait, I got an other one.
Konkonm.
Wait. I don't think so. Andrew, it's
Got your final answer?
Andrew, keep it. Keep it. All right.
Mike gets a point.
Oh, Konkonm. Liyah, this is mine. You need to
Kawòt.
know. Liyah, you
Okay.
got it. You're tied. Liyah,
Leti.
Letis? Oh. No, that is salad. Here. So you got it in.
Okay, I give both of you the point. Piman vet.
No, please let Liyah get a point.
Okay.
Liyah got a point. 5.
Pòmdetè.
Pòmdetè.
That's part of onion.
Liyah, hold this together.
Mike is in the lead with
Oh,
6
biscuits.
points. Tomat. Okay.
We're tied.
That was the end of the game. I guess both of you guys win.
We're both going home.
Almost the end. Last vegetable. Chou.
Liyah get it with me.
Okay. So,
Liyah and me win.
okay, I guess it's a tie. Both of you guys win.
I don't think so.
Who do you think won? Well, I give both of you the win. You guys did a great job.
Nous apprenons pendant à jouer, nous apprenons pendant à chanter, nous apprenons.
Ça et ça donne. Devinette.
Ok. Premier devinette lancé. Moi, orange. Mon reme mette dans soupe. Et puis, lapin, reme manger. Qui ça mien?
Carrot.
How do you say it in Creole?
Kawòt.
Great job. Next devinette c'est moi vert. Mon mette dans salade. Lapin reme manger tout. Qui ça mien?
No.
You going with this? Correct. How do you say it in Creole?
Salad.
Nope.
Chou? No.
Leti.
Let's see.
How do you say it in Creole?
Leti.
How do you say it in English?
Salad.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Great job. This is the end of the video. Moi espère que ti moun takou nou ka apprendre plus sur channel ça et puis have fun avec nous.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And share.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Haïti, toujours dans quel Zetwal Kreyòl. Haïti, toujours dans quel